Good morning, Mark. I am here to check your cell. Please stand up.
Good morning, Anna. I am standing up now. My cell is clean today.
Thank you, Mark. I can see your cell is very clean. Your bed is made. Your books are on the table. This is good.
Yes, I make my bed every morning. I put my books on the table. I clean my cell every day.
You are a good prisoner, Mark. You follow the rules. You are quiet. You do not make problems.
I want to be good. I want to follow all the rules. I do not want problems. I want to stay safe here.
That is very good, Mark. Tell me, how do you feel today? Are you okay?
I feel okay today. I am a little sad. I miss my family. I miss my home. But I am okay.
I understand, Mark. Prison is hard. You miss your old life. Many prisoners feel sad here.
Yes, prison is very hard. The food is not good. My bed is not comfortable. The other prisoners are loud at night.
I know the food is not like home food. The beds are old. Some prisoners make noise. This is prison life.
Anna, can I ask you something? How long do you work here? Do you like your job?
I work here for 5 years. It is a hard job, but I help prisoners. I keep them safe. I like to help people.
You are a good warden, Anna. You are kind to me. You are not mean like some other wardens.
Thank you, Mark. I try to be fair. I treat all prisoners with respect. You deserve respect too.
Can I tell you about my day? I wake up at 6 o'clock. I wash my face. I make my bed. Then I wait for breakfast.
Yes. Tell me about your day, Mark. I want to know how you spend your time here.
After breakfast, I go to the library. I read books there. I like to read. Books make me forget I am in prison.
Reading is very good, Mark. Books teach us many things. What books do you read?
I read simple books. I read about animals. I read about places around the world. I want to learn new things.
Learning is important, Mark. When you leave prison, you will know more things. This is good for your future.
Anna, I want to ask about my family. Can they visit me soon? I miss them very much.
Your family can visit you next week. They come on Saturday. You can talk to them for 1 hour.
1 hour is not long, but I am happy to see them. I want to tell them I am okay. I want to tell them I love them.
Family visits are important, Mark. Your family loves you. They want to see you too.
My mother writes letters to me. She tells me about home. She tells me about my dog. My dog is old now.
Letters are nice, Mark. Your mother thinks about you every day. She wants you to be strong.
I try to be strong, Anna. Some days are very hard. I feel angry. I feel sad. I want to go home.
These feelings are normal, Mark. All prisoners have these feelings. You must stay calm. You must think about good things.
What good things can I think about, Anna? Prison is not a good place. Everything here is gray and cold.
You can think about your family. You can think about books you read. You can think about your future after prison.
My future after prison? I do not know what I will do. People do not like ex-prisoners. It is hard to find work.
It is hard, Mark, but not impossible. You can learn new skills here. You can take classes. You can be ready for your new life.
What classes can I take? I want to learn something useful. I want to have a job when I leave.
We have computer classes. We have cooking classes. We have classes about fixing cars. You can choose what you like.
I want to learn about computers. Computers are important now. Many jobs need computer skills.
Computer classes start next month. I will put your name on the list. You must attend every class.
I will attend every class, Anna. I promise. I want to learn. I want to change my life.
Come, Mark. It is time for exercise. We go to the yard now. You need fresh air.
Thank you, Anna. I like the yard. I can see the sky there. I can walk and run.
Exercise is good for your body and mind, Mark. You must stay healthy in prison.
The yard is big. I can walk around the fence. I count my steps. I walk 200 steps every day.
Walking is very good exercise, Mark. Do you do other exercises too?
Yes, I do push-ups. I do sit-ups. I lift heavy things. I want to stay strong.
That is excellent, Mark. Strong body helps you feel better. It helps you sleep better too.
Anna, I see other prisoners in the yard. Some are angry. Some fight. I do not want to fight.
Fighting is against the rules, Mark. If someone wants to fight you, you walk away. You call a warden.
I always walk away from angry prisoners. I do not talk to them. I stay alone most of the time.
Being alone is sometimes good, Mark, but you can talk to quiet prisoners too. Some are good people.
Maybe you are right, Anna. Some prisoners read books like me. Maybe we can talk about books.
Yes, that is a good idea, Mark. You can make friends with good prisoners, but be careful who you trust.
I will be careful, Anna. I do not trust people easily now. Prison taught me to be careful.
Being careful is smart, Mark, but do not close your heart completely. Some people are still good.
You are good, Anna. You listen to me. You help me. Why do you care about prisoners?
I care because you are human, Mark. You made mistakes, but you can change. Everyone deserves a second chance.
I did make mistakes, Anna. I was young and stupid. I did bad things. Now I pay for my mistakes.
Yes, you pay for your mistakes here, but this is also your chance to learn and grow.
I learn every day, Anna. I learn to be patient. I learn to be calm. I learn to think before I act.
Those are very important lessons, Mark. These lessons will help you outside prison, too. It is lunchtime now, Mark. We go to the dining hall. Remember to be polite to other prisoners.
Yes, Anna. I am always polite. I say please and thank you. I do not push or shout.
Good, Mark. The dining hall can be busy and loud. Stay calm and eat your food quietly.
The food is not delicious, Anna, but I eat it. I need energy. I need to stay healthy.
Prison food is simple, Mark. It gives you nutrition. It keeps you alive and strong.
I miss my mother's cooking, Anna. She makes very good food. She makes my favorite soup.
When you go home, you will eat your mother's soup again. You will enjoy it more after prison food.
Yes, I think about that, Anna. I think about eating good food with my family. This makes me happy.
Thinking about happy future is good, Mark. It gives you hope. Hope is important in prison.
Some days I lose hope, Anna. Some days I think I will never be free. I will never be happy again.
Those are bad days, Mark. Everyone has bad days in prison, but tomorrow is always a new day.
You are right, Anna. Tomorrow I will feel better. Tomorrow I will read a new book. Tomorrow I will exercise.
That is the right attitude, Mark. You must take each day as it comes. Do not think too far ahead.
Anna, how much time do I have left in prison? I forget sometimes. The days are all the same.
You have 8 months left, Mark. 8 months is not very long. Time goes fast.
8 months feels very long to me, Anna. Every day feels like a week. Every week feels like a month.
I understand, Mark. Prison time feels different. But think about it. You already spent 2 years here. 8 months is much less.
You are right, Anna. I am stronger now than 2 years ago. I can do 8 more months.
Yes, you can, Mark. You will do it one day at a time. Each day brings you closer to freedom.
Freedom, Anna. I dream about freedom every night. I dream about walking in the park. I dream about hugging my family.
Those dreams are beautiful, Mark. Keep those dreams in your heart. They will come true soon.
Anna, will you remember me when I leave prison? Will you think about me sometimes?
Of course I will remember you, Mark. You are a good person who made mistakes. I hope you have a wonderful life outside prison.
Thank you, Anna. You helped me so much. You gave me hope. You treated me like a human being.
That is my job, Mark. But more than that, it is the right thing to do. You deserve kindness and respect.
I will never forget you, Anna. When I am free, I will think about our talks. I will remember your advice.
And I will be proud of you, Mark. When you succeed in your new life, I will be very happy for you.
I promise I will succeed, Anna. I will use everything I learned here. I will be a better person.
I believe you, Mark. You have a good heart. You just need a chance to show it to the world.
Thank you for believing in me, Anna. Not many people believe in prisoners. Your belief gives me strength.
Everyone needs someone to believe in them, Mark. Today, I believe in you. Tomorrow, you must believe in yourself.